Hi guys, today I'm just showing you how you are going to be measuring for any project. To understand how to measure for any project, we will start by understanding how to measure chords for a single knot, any knot for that matter. Let us begin with a lark's head knot. So I'm making the lark's head knot. If you can see, I already have marking done here. I'm going to mark both sides. Both the chords are marked. Now I will remove this knot and these are the two markings that we have. We are only going to try and measure this. So this is about 1.75 inches or roughly 4.5 centimeters. So you will note this measurement down for all the lark's head knot that you need, consuming 4.5 centimeters of cord length. Now I'm adding one more cord so that we can measure the cord required for square knot also. So I have both my cords done. Now I'm just making the square knot. Once the square knot is prepared, I will again mark my cords where the knot is finished. This is one, this is the other side. Now, before I remove it, I'm going to make sure the beginning of that square knot is also marked. Now, all you need to measure is this length and this length. So, once again, trying to measure it. This also is 4.5 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. So, what we understood from this method is one square knot will consume 4.5 centimeters of cords, not the filler cords, only the working cords. I'm now trying to check if it's the same amount of cord length required to make, instead of a square knot, a spiral knot. To match that, I'm going to make the first step of the square knot twice. Yeah. So this is the chord where it finished after we were done making the square knot. This is where we had finished. So one square knot is equal to 2 spirals. From this, we can conclude that whenever you are trying to make a design, you can count the number of knots in that design. Say, for example, if I was making this mesh, all I would do is I would count the number of square knots vertically in that design on the picture of the design. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So vertically we need 5 square knots, which means you will need 5 into 4.5 centimeters of chord length for each of these, for the entire vertical of this motif. So all chords need 5 into 4.5, whatever that is, plus the mounting, which is done by the lark's head knot, will need another 4.5. So you are going to take that 5 into 4.5 plus 4.5. That's the chord length that is required for this motif. You will multiply that by 2 because you are going to be using one single chord and folding it in half and making chords out of it. Similarly, when you are adding a spiral knot or you are adding more design onto the vertical panel of your project, you will keep on counting whatever items you are adding. If you're adding a square knot, you're adding a spiral knot, all of that will get added individually. In between, if you have vertical spaces of chords that do not have any design, say for example, if I had this motif here and I again put a square knot here. So I will have these 5 square knots, the lark's head knot, this much vertical length of the chord, again a square knot, and whatever extra length you want for the lantern or the project that you're making, you will count the entire of it and then multiply that by 2. That's the chord length that you will need for this project.